Budget tab goes along with the Engagements tab. So where the Engagements tab allows you to set up engagements to separate special projects or specific work from other work you might do for a client, the Budget tab allows you to set a budget for that engagement work. That way, as you're entering time, the system can warn you if you've exceeded the budgeted amount of hours or amount you've set for the budgeted engagement for this client. Here on the Budgets tab, after an engagement has been set up in the client's file, you choose it here. So we set up that tax engagement for Audio King in the last video, and then you would click the plus sign to add a budget to this engagement. For the start and end date, you need to put dates in here to tell the program what date range to use when looking at what time entries to include in its calculations for this budget. So a start and end date are required. The description is optional, but it's nice to have something in here to differentiate. The year is also optional, but it's nice to be able to identify a year of something you're working on. Then you have the amount and hours. This is where you set the budgeted amount and hours you don't want to go over for this project. So for example, maybe you don't want to accrue more than $3,000 working on this engagement, and you don't want to spend more than 20 hours working on it. The threshold amount and threshold hours percentages, those fields allow you to put in a percentage of that budgeted amount and hours that you'd like the program to warn you. So for example, if you put 80% in here and you had that 3,000 budgeted amount and 20 budgeted hours, when entering time and you approach 80% of that, TPS will show you a warning that you've hit your percentage threshold. So you're basically letting yourself know that you're getting close to hitting the budgeted amount or hours. Then work type allows you to choose an overall work type for this, and it's optional. Status is also optional, but allows you to enter and change statuses for this budget. So you could choose that it was started, for example. You can add statuses in here, edit them, or remove them using these icons here. And then just make sure you save your budget when you're done. And that's all there is to the Budget tab.